Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on PlayStation 4. First, you will need to download the game from the PlayStation Store. Make sure your console system software is fully updated for optimal performance. Next, connect your DualShock 4 controller to your PlayStation 4. Finally, take a moment to adjust your camera settings and control bindings to ensure maximum comfort and responsiveness during gameplay. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now let's cover the core controls. Use the left analog stick to steer your car across the field. Press the X button to jump, and a quick double tap will perform a double jump, useful for reaching higher balls. Hold the R2 button to accelerate forward and the L2 button to reverse. For quick bursts of speed, activate your boost by pressing the circle button, but remember it's a limited resource. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time for advanced techniques. Practice aerials by jumping and boosting to hit the ball in the air. Learn to drive up the arena walls for powerful wall shots. Mastering the half flip allows for rapid directional changes, crucial for defense and offense. Also, develop your dribbling skills to maintain control of the ball on top of your car, setting up impressive plays. Finally, teamwork and strategy are key to winning. Use the quick chat options to communicate effectively with your teammates during a match. Understanding offensive and defensive rotations is vital for maintaining pressure and protecting your goal. Always position yourself strategically, whether you are covering the net or pushing for an attack. Practicing with friends will help you build strong team synergy and achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.